Hi, I'm Sarah from Let's Talk Homeschooling. A personalised approach to education is considered beneficial for children for several reasons. Number one, tailored learning experience. A personalised education takes into account each child's unique learning style, their abilities, and their interests. This tailored approach allows students to engage with the material more effectively and at a pace that suits them. It increases their understanding and the retention of the knowledge they're learning. Number two is individualized support. Children with diverse learning needs, so whether they have a specific learning disability such as dyslexia, or whether they have special talents or different levels of readiness, they can receive the specific support that they require. Parents can adapt teaching methods and materials to address these individual needs of their student, ensuring that their child is not left behind. Number three is intrinsic motivation. So, personalized learning often taps into students' intrinsic motivation. When students have a say in their learning processes and can explore different topics of their own interests, they are more likely to be able to be self-motivated and more passionate about what they're learning. Number four is development of critical skills. Personalized learning fosters critical thinking skills, problem solving, and decision-making skills. When students have a say in their learning choices, they learn how to make informed decisions and take ownership of their own education. Number five is increased engagement. Customizing the learning experience makes it more engaging and enjoyable for students. So they're more likely to be enthusiastic and actively participate in their education when they feel a sense of ownership and relevance in what they're learning. Number six is reduced stress and anxiety. Personalized learning can reduce the stress and anxiety in students, when they're not forced to keep up with a rigid one-size-fits-all kind of curriculum. They're less likely to experience the pressure and the stress associated with standardized testing and feeling like they have to meet a certain level in their academic performance. Number seven is holistic development. So a personalized approach considers not only the academic growth, but also the social and emotional and the character development of each child. So this holistic approach helps each child develop into well-rounded individuals. Number eight, preparation for the future. Personalised education is more likely to prepare a student for the future, where adaptability and self-directed learning are essential skills. In an ever-changing world, the ability to set goals, take initiative, and learn independently becomes increasingly valuable. Number nine, improved outcomes. Research suggests that personalised learning can lead to improved academic outcomes for students. So students tend to achieve higher grades and test scores and graduation rates when they are actively engaged in learning and when instruction is tailor-made to fit their needs. Number 10, positive attitude towards education. A personalised approach to education can foster positive attitudes towards education. So children who feel that their education is more meaningful and relevant and tailor-made to their interests and needs, well, they're more likely to develop a lifelong love of learning. While personalised education has numerous benefits, it's important to recognise that the way the educational system is set up doesn't allow for a great deal of flexibility to provide this for every child who is in a mainstream school. This is why I'm a huge advocate for homeschooling, as it provides all of these benefits to your child when you create an education that is tailor-made to suit them. If you'd like to see more of our videos, then check out these ones and don't forget to subscribe.